Hey guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. It's February 18th or something right now, and we're on the way to the camp. It's a long weekend. Going up Saturday, big storm, not storm, but we had icy rain, freezing rain last night, so we were a little late leaving. Going up, we're going to do some coyote hunting. So, you know what? No excuses for not getting out in the great outdoors. We're going to take the side-by-side, go for a little run, stay at the camp for a couple of nights, do some coyote hunting. It's going to be some fun just to get out. So really excited, looking forward to it. This is our adventure. So stay tuned. We'll post some videos of the weekend. Should be fun.
So we have the quad. I was carrying everything from the camp to and from on the back, and we were hoping it would change. Well, we used to have to make multiple trips with the quad, but now that we get the side-by-side, we can do everything in one shot, but I still am covered with holding all the gear. The expensive gear is always up front with me. Frank always says he'll tie it on the back. I refuse. If it goes, I go with it.
Airbags.
Yes, airbags. Well, at least I have the gun up front. Beautiful day. The worst part about the snow being down is you can't see where you're stepping. So it's a little unnerving in some spots because we know there's water puddles here. You know, it can be knee deep, hip deep. But other than that, it's such a beautiful day. Let's forge.
What's she doing?
Just making us a cup of tea. And we're just waiting for some coyotes to come. I'm a little short in these chairs, so I can't even see over the window ledge. So Frank's gonna have to shoot. Hopefully something will come. It's very disturbing hearing the coyotes being distressed, especially babies. As a mother, it's terrifying hearing that.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.